Hello everyone, this is my review of the Logitech ERGO M575 Trackball mouse. This mouse is wireless and it can connect to your computer using a USB adapter, or you can switch that off and use Bluetooth connection to maybe connect to some other type of devices if you like. It has a storage compartment in the bottom here where the battery is at that houses the USB adapter, so you can keep it there so you don't lose it. And I'm gonna go ahead and plug into the computer so you can see it's in action. I like this mouse because I can use it in odd places like this on the arm chair of the couch and don't have to move it around. Just move the trackball around and I'm able to move around my mouse and get the things that I need done. So it's a pretty cool mouse, and I hope this review helps.